Realme GT 2 Pro. Best Chinese Phones 2022. Improved update support. Realme was among the first companies to reassure fans that it would be slipping the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor into its next flagship, after the silicon was unveiled at the end of 2021. Sure enough, the Realme GT 2 Pro was announced in China promptly afterwards, sporting the chip, going on sale in the region at the turn of the new year. Fans in the rest of the world, however, were left waiting until the company made its Mobile World Congress debut in late February, where the GT 2 Pro's international availability was confirmed for March 8. Design and build. Unique biopolymer finish on Master Edition. Glass-backed models weigh 10 g more. Still no IP rating or wireless charging. Paper isn't the first material you might think of when it comes to smartphone materials, but that's exactly what Realme's design team used as the jumping-off point for the finish on the GT 2 Pro, as well as the standard GT 2. Display and audio. Largest and sharpest screen on a Realme phone yet. 6.7 inches 120Hz WQHD plus LTPO 2.0e for AMOLED display. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Balanced stereo speakers. While Realme's 2022 flagship comes with the standard fare of expected upgrades, one area that the GT 2 Pro punches up more so than its predecessors is with the display technology at work, which Realme has collectively branded as its Super Reality display. Software and features. Runs Realme UI 3.0 atop Android 12 at launch. Upgraded promise of 3 years OS and 4 years security updates. Feature-packed user experience may be intimidating for newcomers. While not the first, the GT 2 Pro is among the initial clutch of Realme phones, alongside the likes of the recent 9 Pro Plus, to showcase the company's latest skin revision of Android, Realme UI 3.0, running atop Android 12. Performance. First phone on sale in Europe with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Gaming performance is inexplicably capped at 60 frames per second. GT Mode 3.0 doesn't function as advertised. Prone to heat buildup when gaming. The opening pitch of the Realme GT 2 Pro, before the phone had even been officially named, was that it would be amongst the first phones in the world to showcase Qualcomm's freshly minted Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 silicon, and it almost was. Battery. 5000 mAh battery. 65W SuperDart fast charging. 59% charge in 15 minutes, 100% charge in 35. With the largest and highest resolution display of any Realme device to date, the promise of enhanced gaming performance and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to power, it's a good thing that Realme chose to include a sizable 5000 mAh battery inside the GT 2 Pro 2. Camera. 50MP/1.8 main sensor with OIS. 50MP/2.2 ultrawide sensor 150 degrees FOV. 3MP/3.3 microscope sensor W/up to 40x magnification. 32MP/2.4 hole punch selfie camera. One of the most prominent shortcomings of Realme's earliest devices was their cameras, and the GT 2 Pro represents an ambitious step up in this department. Price and availability. Before the GT 2 Pro's first official debut, company CEO Skylive went on record to say that this would be the first device from the company to break the $800 mark, which solidified Realme's apparent intent to make a more premium device which more directly competes with high-end competitors from the likes of Samsung and beyond.